Now we will discuss hypothesis. What is the hypothesis testing? Hypothesis is a way to answer questions using data. We have data and it answer our questions. We have two guesses. When we have hypothesis testing, we have two guesses. The first guess is null hypothesis, which means nothing is happening, which means no change is happening. Their example show us a new teaching method doesn't improve student grades, which means no change. Okay, and another guess, which is alternative hypothesis, which is something is happening, which means there is a change happening. Okay, and null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis each other. Something is happening in alternative hypothesis. The new teaching method improves the grades, which means there is a change. Okay, now we will show you hypothesis tests. Before we discuss hypothesis tests, we now will discuss types of data. The first type of data we show us numerical data. Numerical data, which mean numbers. Height, we use numbers and height and weight and BMI. And another type of data which is categorical data, which gender, male and female. Okay, ABO groups, which A group, B group, O group, etc. Being grades, which is severe and moderate and mild. Not numbers, okay? Which we use tests according to this data. The tests we use t-test and ANOVA in numerical data, which is numbers, and we use Fisher exact test and chi-square test in categorical data. We discuss it in another slide. About t-test and ANOVA. T-test, we comparing means of two groups. We have two groups which have numerical data. We use two tests. Two group mean two data. Okay. Two tests, we comparing two groups of two data. Okay, and ANOVA, we comparing three or more groups, more than two. We use ANOVA. Okay, we have numerical data. We use two tests and comparing only two groups, and ANOVA we compare three or more. Okay, these examples of tests we are use. In t-test we only use two groups and two means, group A, group B. In ANOVA we use three groups, and we can use more than in ANOVA. Okay, about chi-square and Fisher exact test. We use chi-square and Fisher exact test in categorical data. We use it to check differences between two or more percentages or proportions of categorical outcomes. And we use Fisher exact test in this, but we use only on two. There is a difference between chi-square and Fisher exact test. We use them in two percentages and categorical data, but there is a difference between them. What is the difference? We use chi-square in large sample size, and we use Fisher exact test in small sample size because it's more accurate in small sample size. We use it in small sample size, but we mostly use chi-square test in categorical data. Case scenario: a teacher wants us to determine if there is a relationship between students' study habits, studying regularly and not studying regularly, and their exam performance, pass or fail. The teacher collects the following data. We must extract the data from this case scenario. We have study habits, which is studying regularly or not studying, which is categorical data, and exam performance, pass and fail, which are categorical, not numerical data. We we will think in chi-square and Fisher exact test. Okay, there is 2 by 2 table here. What is the data are found? We are explained in that is pass or fail data, and study regularly and don't study, which mean categorical data. It's a categorical data where the sample is 100, which is large data. We will choose chi-square data, chi-square test. It's